Stay tuned for tips and techniques from the nation's top chefs.
Welcome to the Chef's Kitchen Healthy Fine Dining Series. I'm your host, Nicole Gaffney, and we're here today with St. Luke's University Health Network. And joining me in the kitchen today is Chef Victor Bock of the Sands Casino Resort in Bethlehem, as well as Dr. Tassil Andolino. Welcome. What are we making today?
Charred or grilled octopus salad.
Nice.
So the first thing we're going to do is a chorizo sausage roux. 2 egg yolks. This is some of our house-made chorizo sausage, champagne vinegar, caramelized onions. Never so appetizing as you see it in its raw state, but we have some Spanish octopus. I have celery, onions, carrots, whole garlic cloves, some bay leaf, and some black peppercorns. We add a little bit of red pepper flake. We do a lot of cured bacon. We put it in essentially raw.
And then you're just going to pour water over that?
This will probably take covered over low heat in an oven about an hour and a half.
What type of medicine do you practice?
I'm a pediatric nephrologist, which
What
means
does that mean?
which means a specialist that treats children with kidney disease. So we see infants to adolescents, and we even see prenatal consults, so
Really?
women who are expecting that have abnormalities on ultrasound specifically related to the kidney.
Through the magic of TV, we have a prepared octopus all ready to go. So we will now make mustard vinaigrette. We start off with a little bit of honey, pomegranate mustard, a little bit of red wine vinegar. You want to chop some fresh oregano, a little bit of lemon juice, some olive oil here.
Sure.
We will take a little bit of the chorizo roux, some arugula, the capers. We have some green Greek olives here. I have some fingerling potatoes. I'll just throw them back into the pan with the octopus, get a little bit of heat.
You toss it all together so everything gets coated in that dressing. All right, I'm excited to taste, and we have a special guest here with us.
This is my daughter, Serena.
Welcome, Serena. The octopus is fabulous. I love that vinaigrette.
To see today's recipe and all of the recipes featured on the Chef's Kitchen, log on to chefskitchen.tv.